Welcome to the channel where you'll learn new things, facts about the triangle and circle you won't get anywhere else. Take this right triangle for example. Did you know you can solve the sides to get your squares by adding up the value worth odd numbers? Take 3 for example. What's the first 3 odd numbers added together? 1 plus 3 plus 5. It's 9, right? 3 squared is 9. What's 4 squared? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. 16. And there's 180 degrees inside of a triangle, right? How many degrees on the outside of a triangle? 360, because every triangle comes from within a circle. And this is a 45-degree triangle found at 45 degrees, as all of them are. And not only does every triangle come from within a circle, the triangle sides are actually diameters of the many circles that make up the ball, and the hypotenuse is the main diameter. Here's an example. This is a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. We said there was 180 degrees on the inside of a triangle, 360 on the outside of a triangle. But did you know also 180 degrees made up by 2 arcs sit perfectly on top of the hypotenuse? They're created from the other 2 circles that are diameters of the ball. The 30, 60, 90 right triangle is special because it contains the diameter and the radius of the ball. And did you know that the squares originally are units of length from the circles that are inside of the ball? Let's take, for example, it starts with the 1-inch diameter circle. This hypotenuse is 1. The radius is 0.5, which is this diameter. What is 0.5 squared? 0.25, which is this radius of this circle and this portion of the circle. And it's a quarter of the hypotenuse. Now, whenever this is 1 and this is 0.25 in a 30, 60, 90 right triangle, this side is equal to 0.8660254,038. And this value squared is 0.75, which is this section of this circle and 3/4 of the diameter. And 0.25 plus 0.75 equal 1. And this fact is awesome. You've never heard it anywhere else. Did you know that the area of this circle plus the area of this circle will equal the area of the biggest circle? Full view of the circle with its heights labeled that you won't get in school because they don't want you to realize this is where sine and cosine come from that make up the triangle because they're 1. But the 15-degree section height squared plus the 75-degree section height squared equals the diameter squared. The 30-degree section height squared plus the 60-degree section height squared equals the diameter squared.